Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers that we have. We are moving on up and I really appreciate it. Also, a big thank you goes to everybody that stops in once in a while or to those that come by on the reg. I really appreciate you guys too. So thank you guys. I love it. And I also really like all the comments and the likes. Those are nice. Anyway, for today's episode, we're going to use a charger plate and we're going to turn it into a tray. And I think it'll be pretty simple. And I'm really looking forward to how this thing turns out. I've never even heard of one before. Let's do it. Okay, everybody, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the little, I don't know what you want to call these, little wooden knobs. I don't know, I took them off of something a long time ago, but I kept them. But I'm sure you can find little wooden beads at the Dollar Tree. Anyway, so you're going to take those and you're going to take some Mod Podge and we're going to just cover this whole thing. Oh shit. But I only want to do a little bit at a time because I know this stuff dries relatively quickly. All right, that's good for now. And then I have mixed up some gold glitter, a couple of different shades in there. And then I have this little tiny resin cup thing, whatever this is, little bowl. Anyways, I'm just gonna dip it, kind of roll her around in there a little bit. Huh. Not so easy to get out of there, but did a nice job. Okay. So now let's get the rest of it. Anyway, you don't have to watch me do this whole thing if you don't want. I mean, you know, seems kind of boring. But you're just gonna do this to all your little pieces. And I'm doing gold because my kitchen is gonna be red and gold. And I'm gonna use it in here. Okay, so these are done for right now, but I do want to let them sit for probably a couple hours and let the Mod Podge dry. So when that's finished, I'm gonna spray them with this Mod Podge sealant, and that just helps to make sure that there's not any glitter fallout, so it doesn't get everywhere. So while that is drying, you're gonna take your charger plate, and you know, honestly, I absolutely love the color of this. So you're gonna have your glue gun, and then I already kind of went through and tried to organize like small, medium, and large size little gems. And I want to just go around this inner rim, and I'm gonna do one big one, and then a medium on both sides. And then a little one. Man, it's not straight, and that is really gonna probably bug the shit out of me. Alright, well, you know what? We'll fix it later. We'll pop that one off, and then we'll fix it. Alright, then we're gonna do a medium. Gotta try to get those little glue hairs off of there. And then a large. Okay. And then, so I don't forget, I'm gonna do it again over here. A medium. Alright, well, we'll probably have to fix that one too. Well, I tell you, you know, once you put it down, that's it. You don't have like any give. Okay, so I know it's messed up right now, just a little bit, but can you see the pattern? Okay, so I'm just gonna do that all the way around, and then we'll start on the next part. This part is finished. I think it looks nice. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next part. Check this out, guys. Did you know that there's an animal group out there that votes and only the female are allowed to do it? So let me tell you. All right, there's these African buffalo, and they go out there and they're living life on the plain, and they decide, all right, I'm done here, let's move on. So then all the females will lay down, and this is how they vote. They'll stand up one by one, and they'll point in one direction, you know, whichever way they want to go, and then they'll lay back down. And in the end, whoever the boss is, a lady boss, she will decide what they say. You know, this many want to go this way, this many want to go that way, so we're doing this. That's pretty cool. Rock on, ladies. So I want to put this candle in the middle of the plate, or yeah, whatever, charger, whatever you call it. Anyway, before I do that, I want to bling this out a little bit. So I have a little bit of Mod Podge right here, and then I'm going to roll it in this gold glitter here. Okay, so here's what I did. Made kind of a mountainscape out of the glitter, and I did that by just using a pair of scissors. Didn't even plan on it. Alright, so then I have some of this bling sparkly ribbon adhesive, and I want to go ahead and put some of that onto the candle. I only have a little bit, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do. Moving on, we are now going to work on the back of the charger plate, and we're going to attach these little deals so that it stands up just a little bit. So I have the glue gun ready to go. just gonna give a nice little dot there and attach. Okay, now we're gonna come across and do the same thing. And then here. You hear that weird wheezy sound? That's just Fifi, she's sleeping. Right over here by my feet, but she knows we're talking about her, so now she's gonna stop. Got a little bit of a wobble, but that's okay. And then now we're gonna go ahead and add our candle in the middle. I did go ahead and I had a little bit more of that bling wrap, but I didn't think it was enough, and it wasn't, but look how close it was. So that's cool. Anyway, alright, so we set this guy down. Then, to finish it off, I have these little crystal gems mixed in with the little gems that we put down, and on the back of these, it's little mirrors. So we're just gonna spread these around in the middle. Uh-oh, shit's flying everywhere. Okay, so obviously, you know, just need to clean this up. But what do you think? I don't think it looks too bad, you know? I think it looks super cute. Okay guys, there's Fifi. And here's our finished product. I just want to say thanks for coming to the show. And if you guys do one like this, I'd love to see it. Have a great day.